All right, hey guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a update of kind of how the garage is going. It's been a very slow process, but we're getting there. It's not professionally done, it's done by me, and you know, some places it shows. But you know, it's a really good, if you've never done it before, I suggest, you know, give it a shot in your garage where it doesn't really matter as much. Or maybe if you're that ambitious or I can't think of the word, but if you want, try it in your you know, in a renovation, maybe in the basement or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna show you really quick how things have kind of turned out so far. I've only got one coat of primer on. Probably only do the one coat from what I read, and then we'll do 2 coats of the color, and I'll show you, yeah, the garage. Alright guys, so as you kind of tell, all this has been primer. Obviously that part up there hasn't. I forgot that part one day. Over there hasn't been touched yet, and just over there a little bit, and this beam, the underside of this beam, all the way down. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Like, it's coming along. Like I said, I'm gonna get all this wall done, all back here. I'm gonna do this wall here, but I'm not gonna do the ceiling yet up there. I'm just gonna leave that for now. I just want like the main part of the garage done. So yeah, and plus it's super high up there, so yeah, it's gonna take some figuring out and getting up there. So yeah, it looks pretty good. There is some areas that you can tell, you could see maybe a little bit of tape line, but for the most part it's really good, and like, it's really hard to see on camera. So my game plan is today is we're going to, I got a little bit of sanding over in that corner. I just put some mud on it last night, so just over somewhere over here. You can tell it looks a little bit more fresh with the mudding. So I'm gonna sand that down, assuming that it's all dry, and then we're gonna put the primer on all that area. We'll hit all that area, pretty much everywhere that there's no primer on right now that I said I was gonna cover. And then, yeah, then we're gonna start painting. But that's my goal for today, is just sand that down, get everything, 1 coat of primer, and then we'll go from there. We might actually paint the ceiling, might get the ceiling done today. So you can see a little bit of a tape line right there, right in the middle of that tape line. But like I said, I'm not a professional, guys. It's my first time ever doing it, so I think I did an okay job. You know, it's not professional work by any means, but I think I did an alright job. The garage looks already like a million times better just with the 1 coat of primer, and yeah, I'm really happy with the way it's turning out, and I can't wait until we get the white on the ceiling, and then we're gonna do some type of gray on the sides, on the walls. So it's gonna be either like a traditional light gray, or maybe with a hint of like blue in it, like a gray blue. Maybe I'll show you some color schemes that I'm looking at. It might be really hard to tell on camera because the different shades are very similar. So yeah, that's it. Anyways, I'm gonna get sanding, get this all prepped up, and I'll probably maybe give a shot of me rolling some primer on, but yeah, I haven't been taking too many shots along the way, just to give you updates, kind of how it's turning out. But yeah, that's it guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be painting right behind me, the garage. All the walls are going to be like a light gray. It might look a little bit darker than I anticipated. But hey, we're gonna give it a shot, and then the ceiling's gonna be white. We're not gonna paint the ceiling today. We're gonna try and get this wall done right behind me here, and see what happens. All right, I'm gonna show you the color we got, even though you can kind of see it on the walls because I've trimmed out a bit. But we got this this color right here. It's called Zero Gravity. I don't know if it's probably hard to pick up there, but that's the color we're going with. So yeah. Without further ado, I'm going to pause the camera for a sec. I'm gonna get my stuff all set up and then we're gonna start rolling. And you're just gonna see a time lapse of just me rolling this wall behind me, and that's about it.